Assalamu alaikum. Hey guys, welcome to Life Recipes. Peri Peri sliders. Ingredients you will need. Do check out our Peri Peri chicken recipe. Marinate overnight with homemade Nando's Peri Peri marinade. A recap on marinade recipe. Around 8 to 10 red chilies. 8 to 10 chilli padis. 1 medium-sized onion. 6 cloves of garlic. Juice from 1 lemon. 1 cup vinegar. 2 teaspoons whole black pepper. 2 tablespoons paprika. 3 tablespoons salt. 1 tablespoon brown sugar. 2 teaspoons dried thyme. Grind all ingredients to form a marinade. Do include 3 tablespoons olive oil. For the sliders, use the chicken fillet that was marinated overnight. Mini butter rolls. Cheese. 1 small onion diced. Iceberg lettuce shredded. Sliced tomato, peri peri mayonnaise. That is peri peri sauce mixed in proportion with mayonnaise. Now pan fry the marinated chicken fillet. Toast the buns on both sides. Assemble the sliders now.
Yummy yum! Ooh yeah, yummy delicious!
Do try this at home and comments below. Thank you and stay tuned.